Are you interested in becoming a soccer referee? If you love the game and want to take your passion to the next level, officiating soccer matches can be a rewarding and exciting career. In this video, we'll go over the steps you need to take to become a certified soccer referee. Step 1. Learn the rules of the game. The first and most important step to becoming a soccer referee is to have a thorough understanding of the rules of the game. You can find the official laws of the game on the website of the International Football Association Board, IFAB, which is the governing body for the laws of soccer. You can also attend training courses offered by your local soccer association, where experienced instructors will teach you the rules and help you develop your knowledge. Step 2. Get certified. Once you have a good understanding of the rules of the game, the next step is to get certified as a soccer referee. To become a certified referee, you will need to pass a written test and a fitness test, which will be administered by your local soccer association. After you pass the tests, you will be eligible to officiate games at lower levels of competition, such as youth leagues or amateur games. Step 3. Gain experience. As with any skill, practice makes perfect when it comes to officiating soccer games. The more experience you have, the better you will become at making quick and accurate decisions on the field. You can gain experience by officiating games at lower levels of competition, and then working your way up to higher levels as you improve your skills. It can also be helpful to seek feedback from experienced referees and coaches and to watch games from the stands to see how experienced referees handle different situations. Step 4. Stay fit and sharp. Being a soccer referee is physically demanding, as you will need to run up and down the field for the entire duration of the game. To be a successful soccer referee, you need to be fit and able to keep up with the players. Make sure to incorporate regular physical activity into your routine, and consider changing your eating habits to healthier choices. In addition to physical fitness, it is also important to keep your mental skills sharp. Concentration is important in soccer refereeing as it allows the referee to stay focused on the game and make quick, accurate decisions. Soccer is a fast-paced, dynamic sport, and the referee must be able to keep track of the ball and players at all times in order to make the right calls. The referee must be able to concentrate despite distractions, such as loud crowd noise or players trying to influence their decisions. Being able to concentrate and stay focused on the game is essential for ensuring that the game is fair and played according to the rules. If you love soccer and want to be a part of the action, consider pursuing a career as a soccer referee. In this channel you can find tips and advice on how to become a better referee. Given by a former FIFA referee with 30 years of experience. If you want to check out his story, click on the following links. Thanks for watching, see you in the other videos.